If you have read the subject, then you know this video is a demonstration of a 1924 radio playing the ballroom music Midnight with Stars and You as used in the film The Shining. But before the music, it is worth describing the radio first. On the left is what today would be called the tuner. This tunes into the radio station, strips the carrier wave using the first valve or tube, and then has one stage of audio amplification using the second valve. At this point, the signal will be only powerful enough to drive a pair of contemporary headphones, like those. The signal here is then passed to the second unit, which is a 2-valve or tube amplifier. The output from this is fed to a horn loudspeaker. There. The valves or tubes, like the units and horn, date to 1923-1924. There are 3 general pulse triodes and a power output triode, which can handle a strong enough signal to drive the horn loudspeaker. Because there is very little of interest on AM nowadays, a signal generator is being used to generate the radio frequency signal with the external audio signal modulated onto it. This is now Midnight, Stars and You. The next track should be Teddy Bear's Picnic.